Hello guys, good morning. Welcome again back to my channel. I have taken time to discuss about TimeBucks. So if you have not watched a video on TimeBucks, please do it to check my videos, the last video I did before this video. I'll also be leaving the link to that video down below this video. Okay. So I've been getting ever since I made that video. I've been getting some questions on my DM because I dropped my WhatsApp number in the comment section of the last videos I did, most of the videos I did. So I've been getting some DM on okay, how do I go about this time box stuff of it in? Because like I said earlier, this time box does not require ID nor phone number. So I've been getting a lot of DM that how do I bypass verification system, how do I bypass verification system and the rest. Now I said what I said. I will still say it again. TimeBucks Australia TimeBucks account, not UK. Please take note, not UK, not US. Australia TimeBucks account does not require ID or anything to be able to place withdrawal from this platform. It does not require this thing. So I'll be showing you guys. So I have been using this platform. When I started, although I won't really lie, when I started using this platform, I did some verification the first time. So my account got issue. I got an issue. I had an issue with my account. I had to stop using the account, create a new one. But I was still facing the same problem of asking for verification. So because of this, I went to do my research and I found out that it is the way you signed up. So let me get you started and show you guys what I mean by that. Now please, it is not advisable, take note, it is not advisable. As you can see right now, I'm using my Chrome browser, and I'm just for tutorial purposes only. This doesn't mean you have to use Chrome browser when creating an account on TimeBucks. Please take note. If you're in Nigeria or in Africa and you're hearing me right now, you know the reasons why. So I don't really have to say it for security reasons, but take note, please take note. Okay. So you just have to come to Google. So please take note, you're not going to sign up with your email. The moment you sign up with your email, you'll be sharp now. You are putting your account at risk of being asked for verification. This same process I have done more than once, more than twice, and it is working. So first thing, you will have to go and sign up with your Google account. Now in your browser, the Google account you want to use, make sure to log in the Google account in the browser first of all. Then after, you then click on continue with Google. Okay, all I have to do is just choose an account. Okay, sorry, I think I will just go back. Okay, click on continue with Google. So I have choose my account. I have to pause the video for security reasons and choose my email address. Okay, I have choose my email address that I want to use in sign up. Click on continue. You are meant to fly you. You can see right here, I have successfully created an account. So see right now, grant before you time, but you must agree to all terms and services. Okay, so I will just have to just click on I agree. Okay, and guys, this is just how to create. Now this is just how to create a what's name an account on TimeBucks. All you have to click on complete your profile. You know how to do that. Okay, so I'm creating a survey course right now. I'm creating a survey course. So if by the time you're watching this video, I'm sure the course will be among the playlist. So you can also check out the course online and so on. So I'll also be doing videos sharing tips on different questions on survey and how they can be easily answered. And I'll also be sharing other platforms too you can earn online by doing surveys and doing other games and the rest. So that's for that. So please, this is for Australia, not UK, neither US. It's an Australia account. I'll keep saying this. It is an Australia account. Please take note. Okay, that'll be all for now. Thank you.